somebody want have any question to me, they can talk to me also. And there is a open forum between me and sir. Anybody want to talk anything to me, anything to sir directly, they can connect us anytime. We are always there for you. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can connect you, sir, all the time.
Any feedback, sir, you want me to improve? Because you're very senior, your word would be very important to me.
Yes, sir. Like from my side, session was very good and informative. With a little bit all glitches, but it doesn't matter when, IT side difficulties are there. Only thing is that from my side, I had a plan to CX, especially towards regression side. And you have given even out of way also you showed Pearson matrix how to do it. But as you assured me that you would help me to understand further, like how to select these the question which I asked about it. So some of them, if they are clear, then definitely I would say that the session was very informative and it's quite helpful for your work and research work.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, moreover, one more thing is the best part is that always we could able to interact with your hope. So the age never matters when you are tutor and as a teacher, and we are as a students. We always made it like behaved like students only. So you have to excuse us because myself and O2 probably we disturbed you many times. In fact, but as a matter of fact, I had a tendency to learn when I have such kind of things. Then definitely I'll be a student as it is, and disturb a lot with clarifying the things, right? So thank you, Ashutosh sir, and even convey my good wishes and thanks to Saurabh sir. Definitely I'll connect